Executive Report, Liqui-Pellet Technology, a strategic asset for enhancing oral drug delivery. 1. Executive Summary. Liqui-Pellet is an innovative oral drug delivery platform that merges the benefits of liquisolid and pelletization techniques. Developed at the University of Sussex, this proprietary technology addresses the significant pharmaceutical challenge of poor drug solubility by enhancing oral bioavailability while maintaining excellent manufacturing properties and scalability. As a versatile and efficient oral delivery system, Liqui-Pellet represents a high-value asset with broad application potential, making it highly attractive to CDMOs and pharma partners. 2. Strategic market landscape. The oral solid dosage (OSD) market continues to dominate the global pharmaceutical formulations space. However, a major pain point for drug developers is finding effective ways to enhance the bioavailability of drugs with poor water solubility. Approximately 40% of all new chemical entities in development suffer from this limitation. This creates a prime opportunity for technologies like Liqui-Pellet, especially as contract development and manufacturing organizations, CDMOs, look to expand their offerings to include solubility enhancement platforms. The pharmaceutical pellet market is growing at over 11% CAGR, driven by increased demand for modified release formulations and improved patient adherence. Liqui-Pellet fits directly into this space by offering a flexible, scalable, and economically favorable solution. 3. Economic asset value. Liqui-Pellet is a high-value platform technology with strong commercial potential for licensing or acquisition. The technology is applicable to more than 200 known poorly soluble APIs, many of which are blockbuster or specialty drugs. Between 2025 and 2028, licensing revenue is expected to range from $80 million to $120 million under a tiered royalties model. A full technology acquisition by a strategic buyer could command a premium of $200 million to $250 million based on recent IP comparables in the oral drug delivery space. Reformulated drugs using Liqui-Pellet could collectively generate $500 million to $800 million in annual revenue globally. Compared to other solubility platforms like nanocrystal or amorphous dispersions, Liqui-Pellet offers 20 to 30% cost savings in development and manufacturing. 4. Top API candidates for reformulation. Several high-value APIs stand out as ideal candidates for Liqui-Pellet reformulation due to their solubility challenges and strong market presence. These include Atorvastatin, Tacrolimus, 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏, Fenofibrate, and Celecoxib. Atorvastatin, used in cardiovascular therapy, has global annual sales of $1.8 billion. Liqui-Pellet can improve its dissolution profile and simplify dosing regimens. Tacrolimus, an immunosuppressant with $3.2 billion in sales, can benefit from reduced variability in bioavailability and support improved absorption. 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏, a systemic antifungal agent with $900 million in annual revenue, can see enhanced absorption and improved treatment consistency. Fenofibrate, used to manage lipid levels with $1.2 billion in annual sales, can improve its therapeutic ratio through better absorption at lower doses. Celecoxib, a widely used anti-inflammatory drug with $1.1 billion in revenue, can leverage Liqui-Pellet for modified release and improved gastrointestinal tolerability. These 5 APIs represent over $8 billion in reformulation opportunity that can be captured through enhanced delivery. 5. Licensing and deal forecast 2025-2028. Over the next 3 years, multiple monetization paths are expected for Liqui-Pellet through licensing, partnerships, and potential acquisition by major CDMOs. Strategic licensing agreements with medium to large pharmaceutical companies are highly likely, especially for life cycle extension and 505(b)(2) reformulation pathways. CDMOs seeking solubility-enhancing technologies may license or co-develop Liqui-Pellet as part of their value-added services. While full acquisition is less likely in the short term, it becomes more probable the platform is bundled with proprietary formulations or patents. Co-development partnerships for niche and orphan drugs also provide an attractive path, particularly in specialty markets. Likely CDMOs to engage include Lonza, Catalent, Recipharm, and Thermo Fisher Patheon, all of which are expanding their oral drug delivery capabilities. Samsung Biologics, seeking to broaden its offerings beyond biologics into high-value small molecules, is also a potential licensee. 6. Strategic outlook. Liqui-Pellet is a commercially and scientifically validated platform technology with broad relevance in reformulation and new drug development. It is especially well-suited for high-value APIs with solubility and absorption limitations. The combination of technical performance, economic viability, and regulatory compatibility, particularly with 500-5-beta pathways, enhances its appeal. In the evolving CDMO and pharma innovation landscape, Liqui-Pellet represents a compelling value proposition. Through focused licensing strategies and targeted API applications, the technology could capture a substantial share of the oral delivery reformulation market and deliver strong ROI through partnerships or acquisition. We recommend pursuing licensing models with proof-of-concept case studies for top-tier APIs while simultaneously preparing for acquisition interest from CDMOs looking to differentiate through proprietary solubility platforms.